Picture this, a time when food production isn't just about planting seeds and waiting for rain. A time when farmers harness cutting-edge technology to boost yields, fight climate change, and create more sustainable crops than ever before. 2024 is shaping up to be the defining year for farming. But what exactly does the future of farming look like? And how will it impact the food you eat, the planet we all share, and the next generation of agricultural innovators? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know how we're on the brink of a high-impact moment in crop science that will revolutionize everything. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss this. Let's start with the problem. The world's population is rising faster than you can say sustainable farming. In fact, by 2050, we'll need to feed about 10 billion people. That means our crops need to perform at a whole new level and in ways that don't destroy the planet. The old methods just won't cut it anymore. But don't worry, that's where the future comes in. You've heard of precision agriculture, right? It's not some sci-fi concept anymore. It's already here, and it's reshaping everything. Imagine a world where we know exactly what our crops need, down to the smallest detail, thanks to sensors in the soil, drones in the sky, and artificial intelligence that makes predictions for us. No more guesswork. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the kicker. This year, things are taking a massive leap forward. Enter gene editing, the process that's transforming crop genetics in real time. No, we're not talking about some mad scientist in a lab coat, but real-world innovation that's helping crops withstand drought, pests, and diseases. And guess what? 2024 will see the widespread use of genetically edited crops like never before. Think about it. A world where crops literally evolve in response to our changing climate. Crops that can grow with less water. Crops that can thrive even in harsher conditions. It's the ultimate power-up for the farming world. Not to mention, the revolution isn't just in genetics. Precision irrigation is now a thing too. You remember how we used to waste water, right? Old school. Now, with smart irrigation systems, we're watering only the areas that need it. No more water waste, just efficient, targeted hydration. It's like giving your crops a drink of water, but with the precision of a surgeon. Now, let's talk impact. These innovations aren't just helping farmers, they're changing the game for the entire planet. For starters, sustainable farming is no longer a buzzword. It's becoming the norm. The future of farming is about producing more, using fewer resources, and preserving the land for future generations. And it's all happening right now. But you know what? Here's the real twist. You might think this technology is only for big industrial farms, but nope. These innovations are being scaled to support small farms, too. We're talking about democratizing farming in a way that ensures everyone can thrive. But what if I told you there's another major shift coming? One that will make you look at your food very differently. Hang tight, we'll get there in just a moment. So, what's the next frontier in this high-tech farming world? How about robotics? Yep, robotics in farming is already becoming a reality. From robots that plant seeds to those that pick fruit, we're entering an era where automation in farming will be as common as a tractor. But here's the cliffhanger I promised. It's not just robots and drones. In 2024, we're on the cusp of seeing fully autonomous farms. Entire farms run by artificial intelligence. That's right, AI that makes decisions, monitors crop health, and even harvests. It's like something straight out of a sci-fi novel, but it's happening. I can hear you asking, but what about jobs? What about people? And that, my friend, is the most important question we must answer as we transition to this new era of farming. We'll dive deeper into that in another video. The future of farming is here, and it's more exciting than ever. With technology like gene editing, precision irrigation, robotics, and AI, we're on the verge of a new agricultural revolution that will reshape the way we feed the world. But the journey is just beginning. If you want to stay on top of these innovations and understand how they'll impact you, hit that subscribe button now. And don't forget to check out our next video where we'll dive into the socio-economic impacts of these changes. What will the farming landscape look like for workers and consumers alike in the next decade? Trust me, you won't want to miss it.